Welcome to PaidToday, how to edit a booking configuration or form. So you can see we've got our booking configurations pulled up here. You can get to it by the business tab on the left sidebar here. Click booking forms, and then we'll see a bunch of different ones. We're going to go ahead and make an edit to this Invisalign consultation. So we'll click edit on the right hand side there. And anything we need to change up on this will update across anywhere that we have implemented this form. So even if it's on multiple landing pages or across multiple sites or things like that, they will all update accordingly. So first thing I'm going to do is maybe I want an hour, 45 minutes wasn't long enough, I need to up that, and then I'm going to go change my lead time in between to a half hour so I can take, log more notes or anything I need to do. Maybe the booking window, we want to book into the future a lot farther, so we can do 60 days. And then if I go ahead and click save, this will update across everywhere that I have this form implemented.